Now introducing P the Magician with her special assistant, Sarah.
Surprise! Thank you! See this magic pen with my magic cape. I'll make it disappear. I'll do the pumpkin all over again.
Alright, hurry up, go back there.
I need a pumpkin to make it disappear. See my magic cape? Yes. I'll make this pumpkin disappear.
Okay.
You say, wow. Cool. Then magic? Show me how.
Can you show me how?
No, not yet.
Stay behind your counter, guys.